Hello, everyone. Welcome to Executive Search Weekly, brought to you by iSmartRecruit. I'm Mark, and today I'm joined by my wonderful co-host, Matilda. We're diving into something really interesting, what top executives look for in leadership opportunities.
Hey, Mark. I'm super excited about this topic because, we've been seeing so many shifts in what executives really want from their roles these days.
So Matilda, you've been working with executive candidates for, over a decade now? What's the biggest change you've noticed in what they're looking for?
Well, you know what's really interesting, and I mean really interesting, is that compensation isn't actually the top priority anymore. Obviously it matters, right? But what I'm seeing more and more is that executives are looking for, meaningful impact. They want to know that they can actually make a difference in the organization.
And that's pretty different from what we used to see, isn't it?
Exactly. And there's more to it. You see, modern executives are really focused on company culture and values alignment. They want to make sure that, you know, the organization's mission really matches their personal values, and that's become absolutely crucial in their decision-making process.
Can you give us some specific examples of what they're looking for in terms of um, company culture?
So, first off, they're looking for organizations that, embrace innovation and aren't afraid of change. And and they really want to see strong DEI initiatives. That's diversity, equity, and inclusion. But there's also this huge emphasis on, well, work-life integration.
Work-life integration? That's different from work-life balance, right?
Absolutely. See, work-life integration is about creating this seamless flow between professional and personal life. Executives want the flexibility to be effective leaders while still having time for, personal growth and family commitments.
I'm curious about growth opportunities. How important are those?
Oh my goodness, they're absolutely crucial. And and not just in terms of career advancement. Executives are really looking for opportunities to expand their skill sets, particularly in areas like digital transformation and sustainable business practices. You know what I mean?
This has been incredibly insightful, Matilda. Any final thoughts for our listeners?
Well, I think the key takeaway is that modern executive candidates are looking for much more than just a prestigious title and a good salary. They want purpose, impact, and the ability to drive meaningful change. It's really about finding that perfect alignment between their personal values and the organization's mission.
Well, that's all we have time for today on Executive Search Weekly. Thanks to everyone for tuning in, and a special thanks to iSmartRecruit for making this episode possible. Until next time, keep leading with purpose.